What's up guys? I am here at the moment in my friend's garage because he has a hose at his garage and I am doing a new radiator. I've got a Japspeed radiator here. Obviously got a little couple fins bent and stuff, but that's no problem, it's not actually punctured or anything. I've got an extra fan here which I need to wire up. I'll probably wire that back up at home at my garage. New coolant, some Jubilee clips, and hopefully it's going to be nice and easy. Hopefully it's a good view. We've got a little skyline in the back there. That's another friend of mine who is neighbours with another friend of mine. It sounds really weird. Okay. Hopefully it's cold enough. We've got the right coolant because this is green, which is good. Still a bit expanded. Actually, let's take this fan off. This will be the first fan. That is odd blade layout. Look at it. There's like 3 here, and then like gaps, and then like it looks like there should be some here. You see that? Don't worry. There you go. Cool. We're gonna reuse that as well. I'm basically just taking the clips that hold the hoses off. The screwdriver is perfect for taking this off. I'm gonna take the bottom first. Ah, come on. It's been on here for, I'm guessing, how old is this car? 2001, so for 14 years. I'm guessing this radiator has not moved for 14 years. That's what it's looked like. So this hose is pretty solid on here. Oh, we got a bit of leakage. Get this hose off. I'm going to pull it off. Hold this. There we go. All over that under tray, but I'm just going to wash it off after. So, it's fine. Let's just take this little nipple off. Can I have my screwdriver back? Thank you. What a wonderful assistant. Even though she does complain a lot.
You recording?
Yeah. Mike, get in the shot. What do you think, Michael?
It's not a Volkswagen.
Oh yeah, this is the guy that...
This is the guy.
This is the guy that was in the video about getting his first car, which is a Renault. But now he has moved on and he has got something so much better. 1.4 Volkswagen Polo. Oh yes. Oh yes.
It's amazing.
Tell the audience how great it is.
It's pretty great. It's nearly a fucking Mazda.
Nearly a Mazda.
Yeah, see this thing the other day, it was on Mighty Carmine's, it was the S2000 build. It's the rapper guy, the guy that does the car rapping.
Oh yeah.
So he goes, I've got a race car. He goes, what you got? He goes, it's a Miata. He goes, that's not a race car.
Well, I'm taking the last of the hoses off now. So it's pretty simple. Taking the fan off, taking the last of the hoses off here. Bottom hose first so it drains out because I can't be asked to undo the drain plug because they're plastic and they normally round out. So, taking the bottom hose off first, that's all leaked out. Top hose off, expansion hose off, and yeah, we're almost ready to come out now already. So, this is a nice, quick, easy job for you enthusiasts out there on the interwebs. If you have an MX-5 or a Miata, whatever you want to call it. We are both bolted. No, we're not bolted to the bottom because it's
shoddy tools.
Yeah, it is shoddy tools.
Or a lack of tools.
I'm gonna just change it all to Jubilee clips because
I like these spring clips actually.
I don't like them.
No?
No.
I prefer them to Jubilee clips because they're more likely to stay pinched up and tight than the Jubilee clips.
Really?
Yeah.
So you think I should leave them on?
Yeah. Use those.
Oh no.
I mean, I don't know.
If anything goes wrong, I have on video. Okay, we are at the moment, right now, putting the second fan on the radiator, and I'm using their like sort of cable tie things that come with it, while I'm waiting on a friend of mine that lives next door to lend me his hose, because he's got lots of hose. Hey, good morning.
I was going to say morning, but it's afternoon, I suppose.
I don't know whether I should just use one of these and put that on. I don't know, I thought you had to put them in there, but I've never used springs ever in my whole life and that sort of thing. Oh no. Thank you. Oh. Straight in the hole.
I've got the skills to put it. How the hell does that actually fix on?
Sexual innuendo is 20.
It's supposed to just...
Yeah, these are like the kind of universal cable tie. I already know how to do it with cable ties, but I think these are better.
Push it through the radio.
Yeah, through the little things. Fan covered. That looks relatively straight-ish. Do you like my custom radiator rad? It's my head. Tamsin, do you like it?
Yeah.
Cool. Ta-da! Done. Let's see if this moves. It's not moving. That's good. That is beautiful, don't you think? Look how good this is. Look here, look. Look at the spacing on each side. Oh yeah. It's beautiful. New radiator. Is that tight, do you reckon? Just test with hands.
It's terrible, this car, and there's nowhere to put your...
Put your mug.
Tea mug. I mean, yeah, as long as they're pulled...
They need to...
I
I think we need to cut them. Should we get some cutters? Mike. Oh, Jake, get some cutters, please. And what about that top bun? Is that the bun?
Oh, it is.
It's not like finger tight or something.
Yeah, at the moment.
Yeah, that's good. Cut the cuts. Let's get it in the shop.
No?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, thanks. Right on the engine bay. Oh, yeah, right on the exhaust manifold, yeah. I'm just going to assume that it's not on my exhaust manifold and it's okay.
What?
One of the classic things that Jake took.
When you back out the car, if there's not 4 little pieces of plastic on the floor, you know one of them's in there somewhere.
Exactly. It's fine.
As long as it doesn't get in the water
Because
system,
he always
we'll be
messes
right.
with your car, so I thought time was right.
It's always the headrail.
Should we try? Can you move the hose?
Yes, I can.
Which hole are we going in? I'm guessing that hole.
If it smells funny, take your finger out.
Thank you for that, Jake. Thank you.
Just adding a touch of class to the channel, you know.
Yeah.
So it's a lifelong lesson, that one.
Well, I think
Go in those
the back
other ones,
hose are bigger, yeah. I don't know, that looks a bit... I think it was there before.
Yeah.
In the back, yeah, I'm pretty sure. That seems a lot more, because it'll go up. Put these back on. Oh yeah, that's better. That is much better. Now hopefully we don't have to take it out again. Don't wreck it anymore, then it's wrecked. I didn't do most of this. This would be pretty pristine if I don't know who tried to put it in before, but looks like they're a bit of a... I'm guessing because it didn't fit in the Mark 1, they were just kind of going rah to try and get it in.
The second one, was it the radiator?
Yeah, but basically it hasn't never been used. They bought it thinking it was for a Mark 1 and it didn't fit because it's Mark 2. Yeah, and then and yeah, so he sold it for quite cheap.
Right.
And considering it's a new radiator, I jumped.
Right, how much did you get it for?
What was it? How much was it?
I think it was 80.
Oh yeah, 80.
Really?
Yeah.
Cheap. Nice.
So
I bet that's how he said it to you as well, and you probably thought, 80 quid, that's not cheap for a bit of
you can get like a cover that goes on
yeah,
here.
yeah, those
stops it.
slam covers or whatever.
Yeah, yeah. And it kind of just targets.
So JDM.
So JDM, bro.
So JDM. Turn off the hose.
It's nice.
On the...
I want one of these. What's going on?
Mike doesn't
Extra
need one of
cool.
these because he's kind of slow.
I mean, my car cools down when I'm on the motorway. It goes back down to 70 degrees. I'm pretty sure the thermostat's stuck open. I'm pretty sure it's just like open constantly or something. But it'll be at optimum temperature and you do like a steady speed down the motorway and it just cools down. So.
Please may I have those bigger knives?
Oh yeah, sure, yeah.
Your tools are rubbish.
Alright, well we got...
These are bigger than the stock ones.
What, bigger?
The actual fittings. So these
Oh, really?
are at the end of their life when I try and put it over. So it's not. I think I'm just going to have to
push on
cheapen
there.
these. Yeah, no, it'll push on there, but these are like this.
Oh, okay,
It's not- well, maybe the top one can, but so should I just put Jubilee clips on? Because it won't fit over, like this one won't fit over the bottom.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can just leave it, yeah. So get the bottom one off of here. Are you on? That is it. Where's that tool that I told you to bring? There. Can you pass me that? That just fits straight on. It's like a. It's not a screwdriver. It's like a socket driver. Doing up.
The doing up of the Jubilee.
Of the Jubilee. There we go. Oh, here we go. Getting on. Oh yeah.
You might need both hands to be fair, do you?
No. I'm a professional mechanic, man.
This fan might be
No, it's
small. Put it down.
it's these pipes for the power steering. Where are the bottom? See, they're all over there. It's because it's fatter. It's rubbing on the.
Was that fan supposed to go this way? Actually?
No, because it goes in the bottom here, where these spikes go in this.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to shave. I'm going to shave the fan house. That's going to be the thing. It's rubbing like right there. So if I guess if I cut off here,
Yeah. Yeah.
that should work. What should I use? Hacksaw would probably be best. Oh, look at that. Straight in,
Nice.
not a problem. There is a little, I didn't do it quite high enough, but that will sit quite happily there. That's plugged on, there is a bit of a gap, but I think that's how it's meant to be.
Yeah, that's good.
How much do we think
Well, this can holds like 4 or 5 litres.
Like a third.
So you put on there for about 30 litres.
Dirty funnel. God. Cable tie technician here.
I like it because it's blue.
I'm using the blue one.
Cool.
Blue. There we go. And we can just snap that off. That is mad custom.
Mad cost.
You got it? Oh wow, you're a genius.
Derek is also good at fingering.
Derek's a good finger art.
I'd like that to be on camera.
For all you
I'd like that
ladies.
to be the included on the YouTube video, yeah, so for future reference for all ladies out
Derek's
there. Wrap it up, mate.
I think it looks good. Yeah, we're doing good cooling. I'll wire in the fan at a later date because I don't have the facilities here. And should be all good from there. It said extra 40% cooling capacity on the website where you buy these, which I don't know. And I haven't really ran it hard enough to know how much hotter it gets, but especially when I go turbo I think I'm going to need it. So, and it looks pretty, so I think it's job well done.
Okay guys, so started taking this one off. Just going to undo these bolts here. As you can see, these ones are a lot easier because they haven't been thread locked like the other ones were. So I've just popped it open so I can reach the bolts. Last one for this top one.